Hi everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do P2P on the Weex app. I'll be showing you how you can buy and sell crypto and also how you can deposit and withdraw your money from the Weex app through the peer-to-peer trading feature. So if you have been looking for ways to deposit money to your Weex account through P2P, then this video is for you. And if you have been looking for ways to sell your crypto and withdraw your money directly to your bank account through P2P, this is also for you. So please watch this video to the end so that you don't miss any important information. And by the way, I already have a video now to do spot trading and futures trading on the Weex app. If you have not seen that video, I'll put the links in the description below, or you can just ask for it in the comment section. I'll reply your comment with the links to those videos. Now let's go straight to the point. Now, as you can see on the screen right here, this is the home page of the Weex app. So I want to go straight to the point and show you how to do P2P on the app. Now, right here on the home page, once you see where you have this deposit and where you have all of these features right here, just scroll to the left and then you see where you have P2P, where my cursor is. So you click on it and it will take you to the peer-to-peer trading page on the Weex app. So right here on the screen is the P2P trading page on the Weex app. So now there are two things you can do on the P2P trading page. You can either buy crypto or sell your crypto so that I can get it directly to your bank account. So I'll be doing the two in this video. I'll be buying crypto and I'll also be selling my crypto and withdrawing my money directly to my bank account so that I can see everything for yourself in this video. And I'm not going to make it too long. I'll go straight to the point. So I'll be starting with how to buy crypto or how to deposit your money from your bank account to your Weex account through P2P. Now, to do that, you come here to where you have buy or sell. So if you are buying, you click on buy, obviously. Now, once you've done that, you come here to where you have this NGN. So you can see where my cursor is, where you have NGN. You click on it. Now, once you click on it, you will see different local currencies right here. Now, what you need to do is to go ahead and click the local currency for your country. So you can see all of the different local currencies you have. But since I'm a Nigerian, I'll be selecting Nigerian Naira, which is the first one right here. So if you're not a Nigerian, look for the local currency of your country and go ahead and select it right there. So again, I'll be selecting NGN. So make sure it is NGN that is showing right here, or your local currency for your country. And then you come here and enter the amount you want to deposit in Naira or in your local currency, depending on whatever currency you're using. But for this video, I'll be using Naira. So to enter the amount I want to deposit right there. So let's say, for example, I want to do maybe 30,000 Naira. Just for example, let's say 30,000 Naira. Now, once you enter 30,000 Naira right there, it will show you the traders that can easily sell USDT of 30,000 Naira to you, since you had one buying. So it will show you the traders that have that quantity of USDT worth of 30,000 Naira to you. I hope you get it. So that's why it's good to enter the amount right there. Now, once you've entered the amount, that is not all. You come here to where you have this payment. So click on it right there. Once you click on it, the first thing you see right here is available to trade. So if you come here and turn on this toggle button, it means that you want it to show you traders that are only available to trade right now. That's the meaning. So it is always advisable to make sure you turn on that toggle button. Now, once you've done that, you come here to the next thing that says traded before. So if you want it to show you traders you've traded with before, then you can turn this on. But if you are doing this for the first time, it means that you've not traded with anybody, so you don't need to turn that on. And then the next thing is to pick your payment method. So if you want to pay through bank transfer, you come here to where it says bank transfer, you click on it. If you want to pay through OPay, PalmPay, or whatever, just go ahead and click it right there. But for general payment, I would advise you use bank transfer because you don't know the account details the other person will be using. So I always advise you just pick bank transfer. Bank transfer also covers for all of these banks right here. So it is okay to pick bank transfer. So once you've done that, just scroll up and come here and click on confirm. So with that being done, it means that it is only showing me traders that are currently available to trade USDT worth of 30,000 Naira with me, and also traders that are available to trade with me right now. I hope you understand. So you can see right here for the first trader, this person is Rabiu. That's the person's username. And then beside the trader, you see this kind of badge right here. If you click on that badge, it will show you the meaning. So you can see the meaning of this badge is that the person is a verified merchant on the Weex platform. So you can see verified merchant meets the basic verification standards on Weex. So this means that this person has been verified on the platform. I hope you understand. And then you can see right here, it says early bird merchant, high quality merchants verified early on Weex. So these are early merchants that came on the platform that have been verified. I hope you get it. So that's the meaning of this badge right here for this trader. So you also see for the other traders right here, almost all of them, they have that badge right there. So the next thing you want to go ahead to do is to pick the trader you want to trade with. So for me, let's say I want to trade with this first person, I'll come here and click on buy USDT. But before you pick the trader you want to trade with, you need to check some things. Now, these are the things you need to check. Come here and check the number of trades this person has done in the last 30 days. So you can see right here, this person has done 1,497 trades in the last 30 days. And this person has completed 99.6% of those trades. That's the meaning of this percentage right here. So this means that this person has completed 99.6% of all those trades. And then you can see this thumbs up icon right here. It means that this is the percentage of positive reviews this person has gotten. So this person has gotten 0% reviews right there. So this person has not gotten any review. So I won't advise you to trade with that person, just from myself. And then you can see the second person on the list. This person is Duro Trade. And this person has also done 1,814 trades in the last 30 days. And this person has also completed 99% of all those trades. And you can see for the positive reviews, this person has received 100% positive reviews. So you can see this one is good right there. So let's say, for example, I want to go ahead and trade with this person. I'll just come here to where it says buy USDT. And you can see this person is selling USDT to me for 1,439 per dollar. I hope you can see it right there. So you want to go ahead and buy from this person. Again, click on buy USDT. And then you come here to this screen and enter the amount in Naira that you want to send to the person. So you enter the amount in Naira. So you can see the minimum you can enter for this person is 30,000 Naira and the maximum is 144,627 Naira. So let's say, for example, 30,000 Naira like I entered earlier. So that's 30,000 Naira. And then you see the amount of USDT you will get to receive. So I'll be receiving 20.84 USDT. And then if you scroll up, you see bank transfer. That's the mode of payment I want to use. And then you can see right here to show you the information about the trader you want to trade with. And then you can see the advertiser terms. So you can see these are the terms and conditions of the person I want to trade with. So some traders that you want to trade with, they will always have their own terms and conditions too. So please always make sure you go through them or read them. Some traders might not have, some traders might have. So you can see for this one now, this one is asking me, this one is telling me send receipt that show the sender name after the payment is done. So I'll send the receipt to the person. That's what it's saying. And the person is saying, don't ask me if I'm active. Once the green light is on my ads, just know I'm active. So just leave all those ones and then just click on this right there and then click on buy USDT with 0 fees. So with 0 fees, it means you're not paying any fee at all. So let's go on. So you can see on the screen, it says P2P security tips. So they'll just give you some P2P security tips so that you avoid trading with the wrong person. I hope you understand. So you can read through it once you are doing the trade. So let me just click on OK. So you can see right here, the next thing you want to go ahead to do is to go ahead and make the payment because you are the one buying. So to make the payment, you see the account details of this person right here. So I'm going to blow it. I'm not going to show it because of YouTube guidelines right there. I'm not going to show it. So you see the person's name, bank details and all of that, and then you can go ahead and make the payment. And before you go ahead and make the payment, you see where it says pending payment and then you see a countdown right there. So it means that this is 14 minutes and some seconds. So this means that you must make the payment before the end of this countdown. That's just the meaning. And if you want to chat with this person, so maybe you want to chat directly with the person, just come here to where it says chat right here, click on it and then you can chat to the person. But let me just go ahead and make the payment right now and I'll come back. So I've just made the payment to the person right now. And once you've made the payment, the next thing you want to go ahead to do is to come here and click on transfer complete. So you can see at the bottom, just click on transfer complete. And then you can see on the screen right here, it says clicking confirm without making payment may put your account at risk. So it means that you must have done the payment before clicking on confirm. So I'll just scroll up right here and then you can see where it says upload proof of payment. You must upload your proof of payment. It is very important. So I'll just come right here. I took a screenshot of the payment. I'll just put it right here. So I've just uploaded it right here. This is the proof of payment. And then I just come right here and click on confirm. So you can see right here on the screen in less than 1 minute after clicking on confirm, the transaction has been completed. So this person has received the payment and I have my 20.8 USDT in my wallet. It is simple and straightforward. So let me go to my wallet just to see it. I'll just click on view asset right here. Once I click on view assets, you go to your funding wallet. Anything you buy or sell through your P2P trading page must be through the funding wallet. So you can see in my funding wallet now, I have the 27 USDT. So let's say, for example, I want to just sell maybe some of this USDT to get Naira into my bank account. It is also simple. So to do that, you come right here to the home page. So you can see you come back to the home page, then you click on the P2P feature right here. And then you can see we are back to this page. So you click on where you have sell because right now you are selling your USDT to get your local currency to your bank account. I hope you understand. And then you make sure this is also showing your local currency. This NGN, it must be your local currency. Then you enter the amount you want to sell right here. So let's say, for example, I want to sell, maybe I want to sell 20,000 Naira. Let's just put, for example, 20,000 Naira worth of the USDT. So you can put it right there, enter the amount you want to sell. And then you come here to where you have payments too, just like how we did in the first scenario. So just click on this, turn this on, and then click on bank transfer, and then click on confirm right there. So you can see right here on the screen, these are different traders that you can trade with, also your USDT too. And then you can see right here, this person wants to buy my USDT at 1,403 Naira, which is really low. So you can just scroll down or just scroll up to where you see someone you're okay trading with. So let's, for example, want to trade with this person that is buying from it for 1,431. So just come right here and click on sell USDT. So once you click on sell USDT right there, you come right here to I want to sell and you enter the amount of USDT you want to sell. So let's say, for example, I want to sell maybe 15 USDT. Just for example, maybe that's the amount I want to sell, 15. And I can see the amount I will be receiving. I'll be receiving 21,466 Naira. Another thing that you can do is you can just come here and enter the amount of Naira you want to receive. And then to show you the amount of USDT you will sell. So let's say, for example, I want to receive, let's say maybe 20,000 Naira. If you put 20,000 right here, this is the amount of USDT you are selling. I hope you get it. So you can do either of the two. So once you've done that, you come here to where it says add payment method. So it means that you must add your payment method or how you want to receive your money. So just go right there and click it. And then once you click it, you see where it says payment method. And then you come here to where it says add method. So once you come here to where it says add method, you come here and enter the fiat currency, which is NGN, which is my local currency. Pick the payment method, let's say bank transfer. And then you come right here and enter the name. So this is my name right here. And then you can see bank card or account number. You go ahead and put the account number and then the bank name, the name of the bank, you go ahead and put it, and that is all. So you can see the bank details are just added. It will be showing right here on the screen. So once you can see your account details showing right there, just scroll up and then just come here and click on this right there and then click on sell USDT. And then on the screen, it will also show you some P2P security tips. You see them again. I think they are the same thing. Just click on OK. And then right here, you'll be waiting to receive payment from the trader. So you can see right here on the screen, it is showing you pending receipt. And it is showing you that the trader will pay within 29 minutes and some seconds. So let's just wait for the trader to send the money. So once I receive the money in my account, I'll go ahead to do the next steps. And by the way, if you want to go ahead and chat with this trader, maybe the trader is not making payment, you just come here to where you have chat. So you can see chat at the top, just click on it, and then to show you where you can type your message. So you can come here, type any message you want to send to this trader. So maybe I can type expecting payment, or just type anything to let the trader know, oh, you are waiting for the payment. So you can always chat to the trader right here on this screen. So let me go back. So I've just received the payment from this trader. The person has made payment and you can see it has changed to buyer's paid, please confirm receipt in time. So once you've checked your account details, you've seen that this person has made payment, just come here and click on payment received. And you can see it says again, confirm the following account has received user's payment. So you confirm again if you received it. If you are sure you received it, just click on confirm. And then you come here to enter your verification code. That's if you've turned on verification for your account. So I'll just go right there and put in my verification code. So you can see just like that, the transaction is completed and then I've already sold the USDT and I have the money in my bank account. So that is a simple way for you to do P2P on the Weex app. It is simple and straightforward. So whether you want to deposit from your bank account directly to your Weex account to buy USDT or any cryptocurrency, this is how to do it. And if it's that you want to sell your USDT to get your local currency in your bank account, this is also how to do it. Simple and straight to the point. So thank you for watching, and don't forget, if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. And if you want a video on how to do spot trading on the Weex app or futures trading on the Weex app or even copy trading on the Weex app, I have videos on all of these things. Whichever one you need, let me know in the comment section below and I'll reply your comment with the link to that. And if you also want to get my crypto trading course or you want to join my Signal group, the links for all of this will be in the description below, or you check the pinned comment of this video. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.